let's say I want to move this blue square to the front of the page. I can click on the blue square, go to position at the top, and on the left-hand side, I can either move it forward or I can just move it directly to the front. Same thing if I want to move it to the back, I can click move backward or just directly move it to the back. Another way to do this is to go to the layers. And right now you see that the blue square is at the bottom of the hierarchy. So if I want to move it to the front of the page, I can just simply drag this and move it all the way to the front. And now the blue square is in the front of the page. If I want to make it the second front, I can move it to just beneath the yellow circle. And now this is in the second place hierarchy. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.